Namaskar. You see, when it comes to weight loss, many people try different strategies. There are several natural strategies available. I feel that a combination of specific foods, habits, exercises, and breathing technique can definitely help you in managing your weight effectively. So today we will focus on benefits of drinking a lemon infusion in the morning, adjusting your sleep pattern, practicing Surya Namaskar and Bhastrika Pranayam for effective weight loss. Start your day with a refreshing lemon infusion. This will activate your metabolism immediately when you wake up. To prepare this infusion, mix 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice with a cup of warm water. Add a few crushed peppermint leaves for a refreshing taste. Then add grated mango ginger called as amba halad. This has anti-inflammatory benefit. Allow the ingredients to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You may sweeten this drink with honey or stevia. You may strain this mixture for a smoother texture. On the other hand, you may enjoy the added flavor from the ingredients without straining it. Starting your day with a refreshing lemon infusion can support a weight loss due to its combination of ingredients. The warm lemon water facilitates the conversion of fat into energy. Peppermint leaves are good for controlling your appetite and for reducing bloating. Mango ginger will help your system in better digestion. This morning weight loss drink will surely give an energetic start to your day. Second point, prioritize your sleep and wake up earlier. From this refreshing drink, let's move on to rest. Good sleep habits are very effective for weight loss and overall health. Sufficient sleep is required for balancing leptin and ghrelin hormone. When you don't get enough sleep, ghrelin or the hunger hormone goes up, making you feel hungrier. At the same time, leptin or the fullness hormone goes down, making you feel less satisfied. This imbalance can lead to increased craving for high calorie food and overeating. So, every single day, try to prioritize your sleep by creating a regular sleep schedule. Go to sleep early and get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. With this schedule, if you are waking up earlier, it will give you extra time in the morning. So you can do some exercise, prepare a lovely healthy meal, and start your day with a positive mindset. In order to sleep well, you may also practice a little bit of meditation and some breathing exercises. Now let's go to Surya Namaskar. When you sleep early and wake up early after a good rest, the best exercise for weight loss is Surya Namaskar. This is a powerful yoga sequence that combines 12 asanas performed into a specific sequence for the full body workout. Surya Namaskar aids in weight loss by engaging your muscles for strength and flexibility. It helps to burn extra fat quickly. Its rhythmic movement and deep breathing can reduce your stress and a cortisol, which is a hormone linked to weight gain. So, include Surya Namaskar into your daily routine. You may do few sets in the morning and few sets in the evening for the best weight loss effect. Fourth, Bhastrika Pranayam. Besides Surya Namaskar, I recommend another yogic technique for weight loss. This is a pranayam called Bhastrika. This pranayam involves rhythmic inhalation and exhalation to increase oxygen supply to your body. If you practice this regularly, you will boost your metabolism. It will also help in detoxification of your body. Bhastrika pranayam can also reduce your cortisol level and emotional eating behavior. It will give you a more balanced emotional state. This will lead to mindful eating habit and help to control your emotional quotient and improve self-control. Regular practice of Bhastrika Pranayam will increase your energy and support your weight loss journey. In my opinion, achieving permanent weight loss requires such a holistic approach and discipline. With such effective natural strategies, you will be able to maintain a healthy weight. Remember to listen to your body and know that every step you take brings you closer to your health and weight loss goal. Namaskar.